दोस्तों फिर सर्टिफिकेट प्राइस का काम आगे बढ़ने जा रहा है और जैसे कि 9 लोग बाकी हैं और 9 में से 3 लोग को और दिया जाएगा, बाकी 6 लोग को रोक के रखा जाएगा। धड़कनें बढ़िया से धड़काना चाहिए, धड़कनें धड़ 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 करके आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। So what do you guess? This time from boys team or girls? You have confidence? Really? So 9 नंबर या तो जो 9 नंबर पे स्कोर करने वाले की वाली हाँ करने वाली है, उनका नाम है वलिया में। प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज वलिया में। So Walia ma'am, you got your best prize. So after getting this prize, how do you feel and what would you say in your feedback, please?
Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers. And today I got this prize, and I am very glad. It's happened because of my teachers and my parents' blessings. And if I talk about my journey, I was unable to speak English. But now, after joining this coaching, Alhamdulillah, I am able to speak English because of my teachers. And if I talk about this coaching is very good coaching, and there is no any coaching like this coaching. And I have never seen such a great teacher like Nabi sir and Azhar sir and all my teachers. They teach very well and they are very honest in teaching. And I would like to say, if you want to speak English, so you should come here and speak English fluently. And today I am very ecstatic and I am